Hey guys, we got another complete roller here. This one is a 1989 Honda CR125. It's missing the motor, airbox, tank, and rear fender, but the complete rolling assembly is there. This has the very desirable upside down front fork. The 89 and up are the ones that we recommend for vintage racing because they look badass when they're done and parts are still available. Awesome bike. So if you have an earlier one and you want to convert it to the upside down Showa forks, if you got an 87, 88, this would be a good candidate for that. It has a complete front end, upper triple clamp, lower triple clamp, handlebars, bar mounts. You can see the manufacturer date of 988 and it says 1989 model there. Has a CR fender painted blue. The rear wheel, front wheel assembly is intact, complete front wheel assembly with a with the rotor on there. So if you spin the wheel, it's almost perfectly straight. It's really good. The wheel assembly alone, if you want to buy one of these on eBay, typically you're looking at $80 to $150 just for the damn wheel. So the rear subframe's intact. The rear wheel is intact. The subframe, here's another $150. Take a look at the subframe, perfectly straight. It's not, doesn't appear to be bent to me. If it is, it's just a little bit, and it could be bent back. It looks pretty straight, as do the left and right side pegs. It has a rear brake pedal. The shock is complete and intact, as is the swing arm, rear brake caliper, and complete rear wheel assembly. Amazingly, this wheel looks like it's in pretty good shape too. So I'm not sure how it ended up in this state of affairs, but it was in our parts inventory. We're liquidating a lot of our parts and rollers, so the bike's all there. Let's check the frame rails. Oh wow, are there any? It's one tiny pea-sized ding right here. That's a good sign. That side, I'm gonna give that side of the frame a 9 out of a 10. 10 being perfectly straight. The engine mounts are intact, and in fact, the engine cradle mounts are there too. This side of the frame, I'm not feeling a single ding in there. Do you see any dings? No. So you have a pristine frame bottom, 10 out of 10 on one side, 9 out of 10 on the other. If you have an 89, you're restoring. This would be a kick-ass frame that's sent out for a nice factory red Honda powder coat and the subframe, or part the bike out. We're not doing that. The reserve will be set at what would cost you to buy just the front and rear wheel. So if you buy this bike and you want some of the parts pulled off and shipped to you, we might be able to arrange that. Give us a call, 860-454-7024. If you want multiple bikes shipping, we can help you out with that too. Thanks for watching. Junior, you want to add anything?
God bless America.